Creating your account with myDMV is simple. Have your driver's license, permit, or non-driver ID and social security number ready. Click Sign in with myVermont. Then click Sign up to begin. Enter your contact information in case we need to reach you. Then create a password. Click Agree and create account. Check your inbox to verify your email. You will then have the option to set up an additional security method before continuing. Follow the prompts, answer the questions that apply to you. Review your information and press Submit. Now you can use myDMV services. If you're stuck, we can help. Red exclamation marks show mistakes like blank or incorrect fields. Click here to reset your password. Click the green question mark for help. Write down your support ID and call 888-99 Vermont for support.